Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking popcorn. To start, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using Clean Heat charcoal. Light 2 fire cubes and place them underneath the chimney. Let the charcoal fully light. Next, place the microwave popcorn pack in the microwave. Set to 2 minutes and hit start. Once the popping stops, remove from the microwave. Make sure to open the bag away from yourself so you don't get a face full of steam. Transfer to a bowl and there you have it, freshly popped popcorn. This is really simple to do and takes no time at all. Perfect for watching a movie or sitting out in the sun. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.